Now I introduce the Monte Carlo sampling. The goal of reinforcement learning is to find the optimal policy, receive a maximum return. However, to find this optimal policy, we need to know the state value function and the policy pi at each state in the domain. According to Bellman equation, this state value function is a expected cumulative future discount reward. That means to calculate this state value function and the policy pi, we need all the possible episode over all the future possible state. If a number of the next future states is large, there's no way to get all the possible episodes. That's the problem. That's why I use the Monte Carlo sampling to solve this problem and estimate this state value function and the policy pi. So Monte Carlo just let the agent to experience episode under the policy pi from his current state to the terminal. And then in the backward path, he calculated the return at each state along the episode. When this number of episodes is increased, and then we can use the state value function estimated by Monte Carlo sampling to approximate this state value function and the policy pi. When the number is to the infinity, then the state value function estimated by using the Monte Carlo sampling is a convergence to the state value function and the policy pi. That's the idea. Let's see more detail. For example, for a given policy pi and a set of episodes, agent follow policy pi first to generate episode, and then in the backward path calculate the return at each state along the episode. For example, this is the state next to the terminal. We calculate his return is a state value function, use this reward and the value at the terminal state. And the same way for other, rest of them, the rest of the state along the trajectory until the current state. Once we get those state value function at each state along a trajectory, then we average them. We calculate the sum from them, of them. We get the state value function. This is generated by the Monte Carlo sampling. From here, we can see if this n tends to the infinity, then the Monte Carlo estimate state value function convergence to the state value function under the policy pi. Namely, Monte Carlo sampling is unbiased. For more details, please check with this reference. Thank you. Bye.